CSC has a long history of being a very productive, very important, very capable managed service provider. And we have a lot of very sophisticated and very aware, technologically aware customers. And like them, we too are wrestling with exactly how do we bridge from our current accomplishments and accomplished capability in managed services to this new model of computing that seems so intriguing, that has such promise, this cloud processing capability. Well, thanks to the unflinching capabilities and volunteerism of our customers, we've been able to begin the specification of a protocol that we call Cloud Trust. Now, why is this important? Well, the one thing we've discovered that seems to stop enterprises from fully plunging into the cloud with very important business processes and data is in fact this absence of transparency. So how do we bring that transparency that we're able to do in our current data center environment, in our current portfolio of managed services, and current traditional processing methodologies into the cloud? Well, it has to do with being able to deliver the same kinds of evidence around processing capabilities, around processing configurations, around access control and auditing that we're used to seeing in the managed center and bring that into the cloud. So we've gotten a good start with our own analysis and our own experience and with the thoughtful and generous contributions of our customers. And now we're taking that Cloud Trust protocol and we're expanding our population of contributors to that so that we can be sure that the list of items of transparency, the list of items of evidence that we need, we can really introduce into the cloud. Now, not all clouds are the same. I mean, clouds are a little darker than others, and some are a little brighter than others. But we know that those elements of transparency are important to everybody, but maybe not all of the elements of transparency. So in our role as an accomplished, experienced orchestrator of services, we're now taking that role and translating it into the cloud. We can give customers a choice. They'll know what elements of transparency we can provide to them through a variety of cloud sources, what elements of operation they perhaps should keep to themselves either in a private cloud or in more conventional processing, and what elements they can really move to various cloud platforms to give them the productivity and efficiencies that they seek. Then, the Cloud Trust Protocol will make sure that that information is requested and responded, aggregated and presented to the customer in exactly the ways that they'll need it for their own purposes. You know, the cloud is wonderful at delivering efficiency and agility, and we always, as everybody does, sees wonderful cost reductions and cost savings in being able to do everything in sort of a utility fashion. But we know with the Cloud Trust Protocol, we can bring new enterprise value that brings a real difference to the business beyond just efficiency. So we like our orchestrator role. We think it's an important role to bring to enterprises around the world. We think it is, in fact, the step we need to bridge from our own managed service capability into the new cloud processing model. And we're proud to have the contributions of customers and industry consortia alike helping us complete that list of Cloud Trust Protocol needs.